This video provides a deep dive into the standardized installation logic of the ELD022 mountain-shaped trackless system for two-track, two-panel configurations. The core of the installation begins with the precision positioning of the upper track. The unique reinforced cavity structure of the mountain-shaped track serves as both the heavy-duty load-bearing core and the essential benchmark for ensuring the parallel alignment of the dual-door panels. Once the panels are mounted, the elevation bolts of the high-precision load-bearing hanging rollers are adjusted to effectively compensate for minor structural deviations in the door opening, achieving a perfect horizontal visual alignment. A key highlight of the video is the detailed installation of the concealed anti-sway system. By precisely calibrating the floor positioning points and securing the nylon guide blocks, which interface with the door's internal bottom track, the system achieves a rock-solid operational feel while completely eliminating the need for a floor rail. Furthermore, the stroke adjustment of the buffer dampeners is crucial. By fine-tuning the trigger path, the panels can achieve elegant deceleration and silent self-closing even during high-speed operation. Every controlled torque of the screws and every gap adjustment reflects the system's pursuit of minimalist aesthetics combined with rigorous industrial standards, ensuring that trackless sliding doors are no longer plagued by wobbling or noise. As an original manufacturer of aluminum profiles, we are committed to providing global clients with high-precision extrusion solutions and comprehensive technical hardware support. We offer direct factory supply with competitive pricing and uncompromising quality control. We sincerely invite door and window brands and contractors worldwide to contact us for partnership and together lead the high-end architectural market.